Now, Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, pretty cold night for us here. In fact, we're looking at possibly the first freeze conditions across parts of the valley and certainly most of western Oregon. Behind me on the storm tracker, I've got our freeze warnings posted all the way from the entire Willamette Valley, Portland down to Eugene, and you can see out towards Coos, most of Douglas County, and then even down into the Rogue Valley as well as you get outside of Medford. So temperature is going to be chilly. Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep right now. You can see the sweeps out towards Pendleton, Seattle, Portland, and Medford swinging through. Not much in the way of precipitation. The upper level low that was bringing those light showers through, mainly just enhanced drizzle in many spots, kicking eastward, moving over in towards the Great Basin. That will eventually bring in some cooler and drier air for us. Now, I mean cool, I'm talking pretty cold. In fact, as I said, we'll see the dew points dry, the amount of moisture in the air will dry out, and that should allow the temperatures to fall back even faster as we go into the night tonight. So there's the center of the low, located, let's say, northeast of Reno, continuing to push most of the moisture east of that. Salt Lake moving northward up in towards, let's say, right outside of southeastern sections of Idaho. Then northward, where the real snow is starting to pop, anywhere from Billings as you get up into central and eastern parts of Montana. 51 degrees, current temperature in Eugene right now. We're looking at light north-northeast winds around 8 miles an hour. And again, humidity at 61%. I expect that to continue to drop as we go into the next couple of hours. Temperatures across the state, 52 in Corvallis. We're at 50 in Newport, 57 in Roseburg. Look at the 20s and 30s, though, as you get into Crookston, where that really, really cold air is. Now, the mountains have served as a bit of a buffer, but as we continue to dry the air mass out for the rest of the night tonight, we'll see those temperatures fall back quickly into the mid-40s. Clear skies by 9 o'clock, and then again clear as well as we get to right before midnight. I likely expect everyone to be into the upper 30s as we go into the early morning hours. Numbers officially today, no rain in the bucket, 34, so quite cool, and we'll continue on that trend, hit the highs right on the button where we should be at around 59 degrees. So why so cold? Well, here's what we've got. We've got that big high pressure ridge continuing to push everything northward, but we have all the cold, dry Canadian air firing southward, and you can see the jet stream producing a bit of an offshore flow for us. Now, we've also got a weak cold front that will keep our eye on behind that ridge that will likely try to swing through as we head towards sometime late Wednesday, early Thursday. As we move the clock through Wednesday morning, it's still pretty far offshore, and I'm expecting most of the precipitation to hit around Portland and southern Washington, although we'll keep a mention of maybe slight chance for some showers coming through Halloween morning. So freeze mornings early tomorrow morning will stay sunny as we head towards midweek. Storms return as we go in towards this weekend. So for the coast tomorrow, we'll see mostly sunny skies. Temperatures will likely sit right around 52 to 56 degrees or so. Chilly start in the Umpqua as well, with the temperatures sitting in the mid to low 30s. Regional forecast for the Cascades will be in the 40s tomorrow. Hard freeze for central Oregon as temperatures will struggle to get into the mid 40s. And then finally for the valley, we'll be in the mid 50s, but we're going to start off likely below freezing. Again, outlying areas could be looking at temperatures in the upper 20s. So the 7-day forecast for the coast will show holding with those, well, relatively sunny conditions. And then again, some scattered showers pushing in, time to get back to a regular weather pattern that we see this time of year by the weekend. Same thing as you get into the Umpqua Saturday, Sunday, that's when the showers will return. And for the valley, we'll see sunny but cold days the next couple. And then again, slight chance for a shower, I think, on Halloween, Saturday, Sunday. Much better chances of getting a fairly widespread wet forecast.
All right. Thank you, Justin.
Here we go.